Deep in South America's flooded forests, something massive moves beneath the water. No roar, no warning, just pressure. This is the green anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth. It doesn't chase, it doesn't inject venom. It ends fights by squeezing until bodies shut down. But how powerful is it really? Could it overpower other legendary snakes? Or is its reputation bigger than the truth? Today we're testing the green anaconda against nature's most feared serpents to find out who truly rules by strength alone. Picture a snake so heavy it barely needs to move. The green anaconda can stretch over 25 feet long and weigh more than 500 pounds. That's not length, that's mass. Most of its body is solid muscle, built for water ambushes. When it strikes, it coils instantly, cutting blood flow to the brain. Victims don't suffocate, they black out. In the wild, anacondas take down capybaras, deer, caimans, and occasionally even big cats. No venom, no speed, just overwhelming force. The king cobra is venom royalty. It's tall, fast, intelligent, and carries enough venom to drop an elephant. But compared to an anaconda, it's lightweight. A huge king cobra weighs about 20 pounds. If these two ever met, the cobra's only hope would be a clean bite and quick escape. But snakes aren't easy to poison, and one mistake puts the cobra within reach of those coils. Once wrapped, venom no longer matters. This isn't a duel, it's a mismatch of weight. Strength alone, the anaconda dominates. Now let's talk pythons. The reticulated python holds the length record, sometimes pushing past 30 feet. The Burmese python is famous for swallowing animals as large as alligators. But here's the difference. Pythons are long, anacondas are thick. A slightly shorter anaconda can outweigh a longer python by hundreds of pounds. That extra girth means stronger coils and more crushing force. In a contest of endurance and pressure, the anaconda's bulk gives it the edge. The black mamba plays a different game. It's one of the fastest snakes alive, capable of short bursts over 12 mph. Its venom attacks the nervous system and acts fast. If a mamba sees an anaconda, it avoids contact. Speed is its survival tool. But if distance closes, speed means nothing. A single coil from a half-ton snake ends the fight instantly. This isn't agility versus agility. It's mass versus margin for error. Now imagine this, but bigger. 60 million years ago, Titanoboa ruled the swamps, over 50 feet long, weighing more than a ton. Compared to that ancient monster, today's anaconda looks small, but among modern snakes, nothing comes close. The green anaconda isn't the longest, it isn't the fastest, it isn't venomous, but when it comes to raw physical strength, nothing alive today beats it. It's nature's heavyweight champion, built for silence, pressure, and inevitability. Which matchup surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments and follow for more wild showdowns.